What is up, YouTube? Driving home from work on this rainy day in central North Carolina, and trying to come up with a question of the day. So I think what I've got is a question regarding your dispatching software. Those of you that may be running paperless tickets, what is your application? How do you run your paperless, and how does that work out for you? I've seen several different options. A lot of the dispatch systems that companies are using already have got a paperless, wireless dispatch option, but they are simply not used. I know Successware offers a handheld device, and you can actually get an application that'll tie in with their dispatch system. I've heard of AquaWind, and the system that the company I'm working for uses is ESC. So, what are you using? How does it work out for you? And do you think it's saving you anything to actually be paperless or utilize the wireless, paperless options that the software you use gives you? Look forward to hearing what you're using. And as always, like, subscribe, comment, share, and we will see you on the next one.